A lot of bigger pieces this time. That smaller piece, hold on, let me see a small one. Smallish.
Sorry.
Hey, okay, hon.
I'm still laying down.
Yeah.
What's that, Beck?
Pretty big pieces.
Oh, I know. That's what I was just saying that to Heather. I was saying a lot of bigger pieces in this batch.
Oh, shit. I just smoked a bowl.
Beck,
Yeah.
see the camera? Jeez.
I'm a pothead. What can I tell you?
Nice.
They know I have fibro. What
Yeah.
they recommend for fibro.
It is what it is. It's on there now.
It's on there now. That's the only comments we get about that.
Sure there'll be a few.
Doctor warned me about these things.
Well,
Being on. Just because it's sitting there don't mean it's on.
this is true.
Well, if we're stacking wood, there's always a video.
Yeah, like exactly
Yeah,
what
we're
you heard Heather just said. She said if we're stacking wood, there's always a video.
Oh.
Let's clear here so we have a rounded cherry tree so we don't have to push things out of the way. What's that? Oh, yeah, those are cool. What's that?
I'm getting out of breath.
Oh, what's up? That'll jump out at you.
I see that.
Well, then, I had a weird concept. Get up. And I don't know who would have thought of something like that. Oh.
You made a larger little area for people to walk through.
Well, get in as much wood as we can. Alright, I'm going to finish making my video here. So, and I will come back and help you guys shortly. If you want to take a break, feel free to do so. In fact, if you want to take a break for a minute,
Yes.
sit with Heath, and
Yeah.
I'll finish the video up, and then we'll go get at it after I'm done with the video.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, everybody. So, just in a short period of time, with the three of us doing it, we were stacking quite a bit of wood here, which is good. We're just going to make a dent in it. I just, I was making a joke the other day. I said I waited like 4 days to see if things got done by themselves, and they didn't. So I figured I better get back at it. So, no, we were dealing with some really, really warm weather. So I was not going to be stacking wood and doing other things that needed to be done when it was like 90 degrees. Not my idea of a good time. But we're in the low 80s today, so it's still warm, but things got to get done. So I'm going to show you what else I was working on today as well. I didn't put that on camera because I'm sure it would not have been exciting to watch, but we'll go out there and I'll show you. But so anyway, we're going to work on this here. I went to Walmart the other day, and they had 24 buckets. So for those of you that know me, how many did I buy? I bought them all. We need them. We use them for the scrap wood. I need some for packing away stuff, and I need some for the greenhouse. So I probably could go and pick up another 24 buckets without even blinking an eye. So we're working in this area, and I've already made a nice dent in here. So one of the things I had to do today is I am still running through my old gas. So I was working on that today, reloading my car, filling my car with gas, and we had 2 days, okay, where it was like today is gorgeous. I'm going to show you this right now. It's absolutely beautiful out right now. Clear sunshine, gorgeous, okay? I'm going to show you. And so this morning, because of 2 days of very overcast weather, and we're using power, at about 4:30 this morning, the power shut off. So I had to come out, fire up the generator, and that's really all we got to do. The generator basically provides power to the house, but also charges the batteries. The batteries are now back up. They're at 26.43. We're bringing in good power today. And I don't have these set, so I can't tell you what they are at the moment. Hold on, let me take a look. Let's see. Okay. 514 watts on this side. Anytime that the power gets, well, let's see. Alright, and this side 1.02 kilowatt hours. So anytime the system gets shut down, I have to reset these to see where we're at. So we're bringing in about 1,500 watts between both systems right now. So obviously we're bringing in more power than we're using, and so that is a good thing. So the other project that I was working on today, and this one I was putting off just because I knew how badly it was going to suck. So I'll take you out here and I will show you. So I had to run down to town. I had to get gas for the car. I needed to get more feed for the birds. And so I had picked up 150 pounds of cracked corn, and I picked up 50 pounds of feed. And actually, after redistributing everything and getting things organized, and like I said, I'm going to show you in here, I still need to pick up 50 more pounds of cracked corn, and I need 50 more pounds of feed. So I will show you where we're at in here. Alright, so got this pretty squared away as far as getting this cleaned up goes. There's some stuff still on the floor. I could not get everything. So There's the 50-pound bag of feed here. I have 2 bags unopened in that can. I added another bag into what was in here, okay, and we cleaned the lids, everything. In here, I added 2 bags of the cracked corn, so we probably got about 125 pounds of cracked corn in that one. All right, and then that's just the eggshells. So we got 1 extra bag of cracked corn, 1 extra bag of feed. Hello, excuse me, no, out, out. Good girl. So I need to pick up 1 more each. I like to keep what I have, and I like to keep those as full as I can, and then keep an extra. Hello, excuse me. Thank you. Out. I like to keep an extra 100 pounds of each after everything else. So it keeps us, you know, where we don't have too much on hand, but we have more than enough for what we need, and that is a good thing. So. All right. So that, I'm going to tell you right now, that project cleaning that out, that sucked. So what I did with all the stuff, I stuck it over on this side of the fence in a couple of different spots. Okay, some there, some here, some over there, and that's gonna, you know, that's gonna help that grow the soil and stuff later. Oh, they're all barking at each other now. Awesome. My sister's dog is not the friendliest of dogs, unfortunately. So anyway, so that's that was the projects of today. Getting that knocked out and getting that out of the way, that, like I said, absolutely sucked. It was not fun at all, but it's done, it's squared away. Part of the floor is still wet. That will dry up, and so we'll be, you know, better off for that. Also, like I said, now we're getting wood stacked, and we will be working on that, and we'll get it all squared away. And you know, just, you know, you don't have to do it all at once, and that's the beauty of that. You know, it's like you can do a little bit at a time, and with more hands doing it, it makes it go so much better. The first part of that I did by myself, and so, you know, but that's okay. But with having Heather here and taking advantage of those hands, and then, you know, Beck being able to help. Mom is sleeping because Mom did her running around that she had to do this morning, and at her age, she has to have her naps, which is okay. That happens. But not a bad day. Nice little breeze going. Like I said, low 80s. So just got to get things done. Like I said, they're not going to do themselves. Pandora, enough. Hey, enough. So anyhow, that's it for now, guys. I'm going to do another video later, but I'll get this one up for you. I just want to kind of show you what we're doing today. It's back to work. Screwing around time is over. I've done a lot of riding in probably the last 5 days, a lot of riding. I wanted to spend time with Heather while she was here as well, and I'll be taking her back up, you know, to her apartment today. So, but like I said, a good day, getting things done. I feel good about that. Like I said, I want to get all this wood squared away and get it stacked up and get it done, and then it's out of the way, and then I don't have to worry about it. And that's important to me. I just, you know, I want to get that squared away. So anyway, so that's where we're at. I will continue to get this going, and I'll probably do another video. Well, I'm going to definitely do another video later, and I'll show you what we got accomplished. So anyway, so that's it for now. Remember, folks, we are all in this together. That is important to remember. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every single day how we feel. Last but not least, STD. Step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. You work methodically at things, and things get done. That's just how it works, okay? Good example is what we've done here. None of this happened overnight. It's taken time. but well worth the effort. And now we're, you know, like we're gonna reap the rewards. We're gonna have a fantastic garden this year, and couldn't be more excited about that. So anyway, I will talk to you all later. Have a great day. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now. And we'll end it on Miss Snotbag over there. Okay, now we'll end it on Max.